Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, hi, you are welcome. My name is Eukaria. Today is another beautiful video for you guys, and this video is all about Mslynn Hair. Guys, they sent this beautiful honey brown highlighted wig for a review. I am so eager to do this review for you guys because I want to give my honest review on this particular wig sent by Mslynn Hair. Guys, this cap is well constructed. The inside of the cap is beautiful. It came with comb, one at the back, two by the sides. So I'm brushing this hair now so that you guys will see how soft and silk the wig is. So after that, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can install this wig on your head to make it look like a full frontal. This is not a full frontal, and as you can see, this wig came with extra adjustable strap. So guys, let's install this wig and make it look like a full front lace closure. Guys, first thing I'll do is to wear my soft cap, and the next thing I'll do is to place the wig on the soft cap. All right, after that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I use the adjustable strap at the back to make it look firm on my head. Make sure you use the comb as well. Pin it very well so that it will be very tight on your head. After that, I will go ahead and use a concealer or foundation that matches that of my skin tone to apply on the lace closure. Just apply it, apply. After that, the next thing I'll do is to use my got2b glue to spray on the front where I want to lay the lace. When I do that, I will use my hand dryer to dry it a little bit, not to dry it completely, just a little. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay the lace wherever I want it to be. All right, after laying it, I'll use my comb to comb it. The reason why we do comb it, why we lay it down, to make sure that none of the hair stuck on the glue. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and dry it again, dry until it's fully dried up. Then I'll trim off the lace at the front. The excess lace at the front will be trimmed off after I dry it. So guys, keep watching. So guys, when I'm done trimming off the excess net at the front, I'm going to go ahead and spray the glue again. This time around, I'm spraying just at the very tips where I trim. After that, I'll use my comb, the sharp edge, to lay it down very well. After laying it down, I will use my blow dryer to dry it a little bit. After that, then I will still go ahead to use a concealer that matches that of my skin tone. Apply it so that it will blend with that of your skin tone. So guys, when you are done, just use your clip to clip hair on both sides so that it will give you space to do what you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and section out small portion of the hair at the very end of the closure. Then I'm going to use it to cover the side Remember, this is not a full frontal wig. I will use it to cover the side where the net is. Just cover it very well, brush it up and hold it for some time. Use your dryer to blow dry it so that it will dry. That is all. After doing it in one side, I will go ahead and repeat same on the other side. Just section out little portion of hair that you know that will cover the cap. Comb it to make it look neat, then drop it. Make sure you are covering that cap area. After that, then make sure you hold it very well again, then use your dryer to blow dry it. All right, after you dry it, then you can leave it and start working on the rest of the wig. So guys, keep watching. So guys, after that, I'm going to go ahead and use my comb to section the hair where I want the parts to appear. All right, this time around my section is coming by the side of the lace closure. So the next thing I'll do is to use my hair wax to lay down the front properly the way I want it to be. All right, after that, I'll make sure my parts look so neat and at the particular place I want it to be. So guys, remember this wig is from Mslynn Hair, and all information about this wig will be in the description box below. Do check it out and get one of these baby for yourself. The hair is really nice, very affordable as well. So guys, when I'm done sectioning the parts, I will go ahead and lay my hair down very well. Then the next thing I'll do is to use my hot comb to lift the front of the wig. I'm doing this because I want this wig to look like that of full frontal. So I'm doing all my best to see that I slay it, guys. And I know that you are going to try this method on your next installation. So guys, to finish up this look, I'm going to section out the baby hair and lay it down using my edge control. And guys, from this point, I'm going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this video. If you love this method, let me in the comment section and tell me what you think about it. If you are going to slay it on your next installation, let me know what you think about this method. Is it worth trying? Did I slay it? So guys, remember, all information about this wig will be in the description box below. Do check it out and get one of these baby for yourself. The wig is from Mslynn Hair. Reach out to them and you will be happy you did. Thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate you coming back to support your girl. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.